Okay, for this 5-minute hobby spot, I am doing the tracks on my son's Death Guard Plague Burst Crawler. It's a tank for his Death Guard army, and yeah, it's for anything kind of Death Guard. We just like to make it nice and dirty and weathered and grimdark. So, on top of a Rust-Oleum red oxide primer, I'm just laying down some Tamiya German gray here. I'm not really being too neat about it. It's if you see a little bit of the red oxide through there, that's fine. It's just going to add to the rust. For a lot of my 40,000 stuff, I don't paint it for like parade type where everything looks brand new. I like to have it look like it's been weathered and used and abused and beaten up and played with, and so it's you're not going to see clean tracks on my stuff. Now the recipe I'm using for my tracks, it's a combination of a couple different things. My own design, plus there's a YouTuber named Martin Kovac. He does a channel called Night Shift Scale Models. Fantastic armor models. I will put a link in the description to his channel. So yeah, but this is my son's model. We put it together for the most part while they were here for the summer, and then he asked me if I could finish it up. What you're seeing here is a AK Interactive light rust wash, and I'm just going to be putting that on the entirety of the tracks except for the bottom. Alright, so the reason why this is just a little 5-minute hobby spot video, we started this late at the kitchen table one day, and my son and I were just putting it together, and next thing you know, it's almost complete, and I was like, well, I probably should have filmed something of this. So he said, go ahead and paint it up and film whatever you want to. So I decided just to do a video of the tracks. The tracks, you can use this formula for rhinos, land raiders, plague burst crawlers, anything with tracks on it. I love it when they're all dirty and it actually looks like it's been in a war. I cannot stand when I see pictures of shiny new tank tracks. It's like, no, come on, let's go. It's supposed to be grimdark. So now I've got everything masked off with some frog tape, and it's gonna get messy here. There's a technique that I learned from watching Night Shift. Basically takes a brush, a toothpick, and splatters. And yeah, it's messy, but the effect is there. It looks really good. So actually going to do this with 2 different colors, this light rust and then eventually a tracks wash. So in the meantime, while we're watching this, yeah, I'll go ahead and hit you up with the if you like the video, you enjoy what you're seeing here, want to see more, give it a like, give it a thumbs up, comment below, let me know what you think of it. And also, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. It's having a great time with this channel. So it's getting back to this. We got this Vallejo Thick Mud. I've watered it down a little bit just to make it flow easier. I actually put more water on it right there, but it gives a nice dusty type feel after everything's all dried. And then after that, I stipple some more, or not stipple, I splatter some more of the rust washes on top of it. But this is a fun tank to build. I magnetized it. That was another thing I would have loved to have filmed, but didn't. So I think down the pipeline I'll do another one of these, because I got another one in a box downstairs. But there's what it looks like where it dries. Get on to more stippling there, or splattering, and then we're going to finish this up here. This is a quick one, so it's let's go ahead and get some final shots here. So hope you liked it.